Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. Today I'm bringing you something completely fresh, a method that's flipping the script on how digital income is made. If you ever thought about creating an online income stream but felt overwhelmed by the tech, the competition, or just not knowing where to start, you're going to want to stick around for this. I've uncovered something called the PDF flipping method, and it might just be the most beginner-friendly and scalable system I've reviewed in a while. Now, we've all seen those online opportunities that sound too good to be true, flashy headlines, huge promises, and most of them require ads, endless content creation, or a hefty learning curve. But what caught my attention about PDF flipping is its simplicity. This system revolves around taking basic digital files, we're talking PDFs, and transforming them into income-generating products with a streamlined three-step process. And you don't need to create the content yourself. You're repurposing, enhancing, and delivering all in about 30 minutes a day. What makes this really stand out is that it doesn't rely on paid ads or complicated platforms. There's no need to chase social media trends or deal with algorithm changes that can wipe out your traffic overnight. This strategy is about building a digital asset that works for you, not the other way around. It's more about applying skill than spending time or money. The creators are currently offering full access to their live masterclass training for just $19. That's not a typo. The regular value is $297, but for a limited time, they're doing a launch discount to bring in more testimonials. So yes, it's a time-sensitive offer, and yes, it's worth grabbing if you're serious about learning a practical digital skill. So, what do you actually learn in the training? It's a 3-day live experience, plus 2 bonus days, where they walk you through the entire process from start to finish. On day 1, they help you lay the groundwork. You'll understand how to identify PDF content that's underused and loaded with potential. You'll see how the method works and why just 30 minutes of consistent effort can produce steady results. Day 2 is where the magic happens. You're introduced to powerful AI tools that help you research and enhance these PDFs quickly. You'll learn how to create polished, professional-looking digital products and even how to turn them into premium, high-ticket offers. And it doesn't stop there. They also teach you how to collaborate with others and scale your reach without adding more work. Day 3 takes it even further by teaching automation. You'll see how to use AI to handle your marketing and sales processes, so you're not stuck doing everything manually. There's a big focus on sustainability and building a system that grows with you over time. And in the bonus sessions, they go deep on how to identify lucrative opportunities and even give live feedback on your work. But beyond the lessons, it's the bonuses that really push the value through the roof. You're getting a suite of tools and resources, from lifetime access to a copywriting software that handles all your emails and sales content, to 2 fully ready-to-sell PDF products that you can brand as your own and start selling right away. You also get a collection of design templates that elevate the look of your PDFs and a niche research system to help you target profitable markets from the start. There's also a private Discord community where you can connect with others going through the training. Having that kind of peer support can be a game changer, especially when you're just getting started. You'll also receive replay access in case you miss a live session, and even a custom GPT that helps you pick the best niches for your flipping journey. And for those who want to bring someone along, you can add a partner at no extra cost. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does this actually work? Is it just another gimmick? But the feedback from students so far has been extremely positive. One person shared how they took a simple nutrition PDF, applied the method, and made over $2,800 in just 3 weeks. Another participant built a 6-figure business in the health niche using the same system. Of course, everyone's results are different and effort matters, but the system clearly has legs. And here's something I really appreciate. The creators aren't just making bold claims. They've backed the offer with a triple guarantee. First, if you attend the first day and feel like it's not for you, you get a full refund. No questions asked. Second, If you follow the training for 30 days and don't successfully flip your first PDF, they'll personally help you and still refund your money. And third, they promise that if you don't make at least 10x your investment within 60 days, you get your $19 back. So not only are they teaching a repeatable system, they're also assuming all the risk. What I find really exciting is how universally this strategy applies. You don't need to be in a specific country, niche, or demographic. It works worldwide. There are no restrictions on where you can apply this, and no need for advanced tech skills. You can start with a basic computer, internet connection, and the willingness to learn. It's a refreshing shift from all the high-pressure, high-expense methods out there. Instead of being told to grind through content or throw money at ads, you're taught how to enhance what already exists, how to package it effectively, and how to reach an audience that's already searching for what you have. That's smart business. As a reviewer, I've seen so many products that promise freedom but come with hidden costs, both financially and mentally. But PDF flipping is the opposite. It's lean, it's focused, and it's actually useful. It gives you one skill that can produce consistent results, a skill you can use in any niche, any language, and scale in any direction you choose. The mindset shift it promotes is also something to note. You're no longer chasing trends. You're no longer hoping your video goes viral or your ad gets clicks. You're building a real process, a repeatable, controllable workflow that you can execute at your own pace. That's where long-term success is built. By now, you might already know if this is for you. If you're tired of starting from scratch, if you're done with spending and not seeing results, if you want a clear path with tools, community, and support, then this is your invitation to jump in. Remember, the price jumps back to $297 after the launch ends. And registration closes on July 13th. Only a limited number of seats are available, and they're filling fast. So don't wait. Click the link in the description to lock in your spot before it's too late. Thanks so much for watching today's in-depth review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Review Scout, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a fresh opportunity. Until next time, take action, stay consistent, and always believe in your potential. I'll catch you in the next video.